What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Donn. We're back in this thing with a new video for y'all today. As you can tell by the title, we are at the gun range, and this is my first time ever shooting a fully automatic gun. I don't know if y'all can hear me or not. It's pretty loud. We're right next to the freeway. Yeah, hopefully y'all can hear me. If you can't, I apologize. We'll be inside sooner than later. But yeah, I got my G19 on me. I got my ARP in the bag. As y'all know, those are my two guns. I got to rent the fully automatic because I do not have one on my person. I don't have one at home. I don't have one at all, you know. But look, if I like it, if I love it, you know, I might just go cop me one. But I need y'all to hit that like button, hit that sub button, get this video to 1,000 likes. You know, any other videos y'all want, any other gun content y'all want me to do, let me know in the comments down below. If y'all got ideas for me, y'all got suggestions for me, let me know in the comments down below. And I got y'all, but make sure y'all please hit that like button, hit that sub button. Let's get to 1,000 likes. I'm gonna try to put out more gun videos for y'all because I know y'all like those type of videos. You know, but any other videos y'all want, mukbangs, apartment tours, gun range videos, just regular vlogs, let me know and I got y'all. We about to go inside and see what's cracking with it and do this shit for the first time ever. Hit that sub button, hit that like button, let's go. They got that Osama joint.
The first time I brought it out, it wasn't cycling 115 grain buffer. You replaced the buffer, so testing it out.
You trying to sign waivers?
That was
You're good. Number 4s.
2 4s. Who's teaching who today?
Who you think? She might teach me something. I don't know what I just done picked up. Some. Cause these things, it is gonna be loud. That's what we shooting today, y'all. Got my ammo, got everything ready to go. Alright, let's go. We the only ones in. Bang. Let's go. All right, y'all, we in here. Let me get set up. Let me put the target up. Let me get the everything loaded up. I can't wait. Let's go. All right, y'all, we about to get started. I'm about to load up this. I'm about to shoot my Glock first. Shoot this G19 first, just to, you know, get the rest off. Last time I was in the range was the last time y'all see me in the range, which is probably like 3 months ago. So it's been a while, but yeah. So I'm gonna shoot this Glock first. You know what I mean? Get the rest off. You know what I mean? Then after that, we're gonna rock and roll with that automatic. Boy, I'm scared. I'm scared. Now let me stop playing. I ain't scared. All right, y'all. I'm about to just pop this real quick. Sponsor. I gotta see where I hit the first shot. Where I tap him at. Tap him in his nugget. Ooh, right in the muffin. Right in the muffin. I'm telling y'all, and I wasn't even using the sights. I wasn't even using the sights either. And don't get on my ARP. I still don't got sights for the PG. All right, this time I'm gonna go for the target up top right here. Huh? Nah, are you good, close enough? You safe. You in good hands. You not gonna get hit by nothing. Shit, unless she finna get hit by something. Let's see how I did. Like I said, I was a little rusty. Out of 10 shots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 for 10. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a fatality. Let's go. feel it. It's giving me a rush. You tell me it's giving you anxiety. No, you funny. All right, let me load these back up. Let me stop playing. All muffin. All in that muffin. Let me stop playing. They gonna come kick me out this motherfucker. I gotta stop playing. Then I say, oh, no. That's not like me. That's not like me. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hit them all in the head like I said. Then I missed one. I'm a little further out now. I think it's time for the peasy. It's time for the peasy. I ain't got no sight for this one. The peasy jammed. Let me stop playing. Nah, it jammed a little bit. It's good though. That's my first time actually shooting out the drum. I told y'all last video I was gonna do a 50 round mag dump. Y'all never got the video to 1,000 likes, so I don't know. Actually, I gotta go back and see. But yeah, I still wanna do the 50 round mag dump. Get this video to 1,000 likes and I got y'all. Then you good. Man, that's crazy. I don't get that. And it's the shell, it's not even the round. Like, it just keep getting caught like it's not ejecting right or something. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or what, but shit. Yeah. I don't know about that one, boss. Y'all remember last video when I took it to the range for the first time, it was jamming. And I thought it was because I had that ETS mag right here. I got this ETS mag and somebody told me the ETS gonna jam. And for sure it did. But now I got the drum. I bought this drum to go with it. It's still jamming though. Now I'm starting to think it's the gun. I got a bad peasy. They done sold me a bad peasy. Ooh, now I'm mad. Ooh, now I'm mad. I think it's time, y'all. It's time, I feel it. I done got my shots up. Jump ball, throw that ball up in the air. Let's play ball now. But I need y'all to hit that like button though. Subscribe if you're new. Leave some comments, talk y'all shit, do what y'all gotta do. You know what I mean? It's all love over here. Y'all ready? This is what y'all been waiting on. You want some money? Here you go. You want another one? How about another one? All right, last one. You taking it off. There's more from where that came from. Run low on your stash, just download the app called Free Cash, baby. Use the link down below, the QR code right here. You play, they pay. As easy as that. They pay you to play games, man. It's as transparent as can be. Play the games, they pay you. You can withdraw the money. As simple as that, man. I know you tired of your pockets hurting. Usually, I tell you to get up off your ass. You can sit on your ass and play the games and get paid. Like, take your girl on a date, bro. I know she been bugging you. I know she been getting on your nerves. Take your girl on a nice date. Get her something nice. Use the QR code right here. Use my link down below. Yeah, I mean, gonna get you a little bonus as well. Yeah, I mean, now take this money. Go ahead and take it. I know you want it. Take it. never felt so much power in my life. I was not expecting that to jump like that. Like, this is my first time ever. I was not expecting it to jump like that. Boy, that thing rang out of there. Oh, that gave me a rush. But I don't think it's done, though. That mug jammed up out of there. That shit's smoking. Come here. You can see it smoking. Come here. That mug's smoking, fool. I like that. I ain't gonna lie, I like that. I see why young niggas got button. Button? Nah, for real. Let me stop playing. That's why you need an FRT. I want an FRT my 9. You know what I mean? So I can have the automatic on the 9. The ARP, this ain't automatic. This is semi-automatic. But this right here, I don't know. I ain't even looked to see what gun it was. I just seen it was a 9mm. I ain't want to clap no 223 today. I ain't ready for that just yet. You know what I mean? But, you know what I mean? I have clapped the 7.62 223, but just not automatic. You know? But, yeah. We're going to load this bitch back up, and I'm letting that bitch sing again. Part 2. And then the damn thing jammed. I thought I ran through it. This shit jammed, just like my Peasy. What's going on with it? I'm starting to take offense to it. Why is everything jamming? How that was in that what movie? Say hello to my little friend. See? That bitch jam again. Another jam. Another jammer. I don't know what's going on. This shit jamming. Folks gotta clean their guns or something. Alright, bro. This is getting insane. Every shot, I can't even clear the mag. I can't even clear the mag. Bro, alright. This gotta be the shittiest gun in history of guns. Every shot. Like, I didn't want my money back now. I can't even run through it. Like, I don't get it. Like, look, where's that? Look, as you can see, there's still rounds in it. Oh, there we go. But that shit is irritating with the jam. I can't even run through it. I want to run through a hole, you know, but I can't do it. Alright. This is round 3. Let's see if I can clear the mag. I didn't load it up the whole way, you know, so hopefully I could run through it and clear it. I got a new target out there, so we can see how many shots I actually hit this time. But yeah, this is all I got left. After this, that's it for the automatic. You know, that's 100 rounds. And dang near every time it's jamming. And I'm getting upset. Spent $60 for nothing. But let's go. Every time. Never fails. Let's see what I hit though. I'm missing with the automatic. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't hit nothing. He walked out of there scot-free. He is a healthy man. He is a healthy man. Hide the children and the old people. I think I done hit a civilian, y'all. What the hell? Alright, I gotta work on that. I gotta work on that. That's crazy. I don't know why it's jamming. Every time, bro. It never fails. Never fails. Never fails. Oh, he's dead now. R.I.P. R.I.P. though something. Right in the beard. I tore his beard up. Let me stop playing. But yeah. He ain't got no knuckles. He ain't got no knuckles. I'm messing up with the POV with the meta glasses, y'all. My fault. Yeah, they are. But look, I still can't even run through this bitch. Man, it's crazy. Huh? Yeah, it's jamming every time. can't even get a shot out. This is honestly insane. Glad this ain't my gun. Is this it? Bruh. At this point, I don't even know what to do no more. Ain't no good at all. It's kind of crazy. Alright, we about to play a game. I got 3 shots to hit him right here. 3 shots. If I don't kill him, I'm pussy. If I don't hit him in the feet, I'm pussy. You know? 10 feet away too. We ain't doing no close shit, no close range. Right there in the feet. 3 shots. He might be still alive, y'all. He might be still alive. I don't know, he might be breathing still. I'm scared to look. I'm not even gonna look because he's still a threat at this point. So. He's still alive. I'm missing him. I'm hitting him down here. They used to say you want to hit the head, aim at the neck, aim at the chest. I think I'm aiming too low. Whoever said that was a lie. Aim at the chest, you can hit his head. I aimed at the chest and hit his chest. Y'all lying to me. So now I'm about to aim at the head. Dang, that's it?
I'm not exactly sure why that is.
I know you lying. I know you lying. Well, I guess I know what time it is. What am I on, 10 or 6? I already know this bitch gonna jam. The grand finale. I just stopped it, jam. No, I just stopped it. It ain't. Dang. I keep forgetting my med. Oh, I'm not wearing the meta glasses. thinking I got these bitches. What I do with them? Oh, they right here, huh? I mean, yeah, feel like it. There we go. The good old jam. I don't get it. You don't know how irritating that is. I can't even run through it. Like, come on, bro. I'm finna just single shot. Nah, I'm gonna run through it. Let me stop. Don't be no pussy. Whatever. That's it. We done with the automatic, y'all. We done with the automatic. I had fun shooting it. I just don't like the gun. The gun kept jamming. A lot. But we could bring him home. And as you can see, that boy don't got no beard left. He ain't got shit left.
How you doing, brother? Doing good, bro. How about you? What's that? Kevin. Sorry, I don't have to do it, so if I need to ask something multiple times, I promise. Get this stuff, I want to put it over. I'm going to have to look this up. Okay, got it.
That's it. Bruh, alright. This is getting me mad.
Set up. Just go ahead and load up. You can actually load up if you want.
Alright. And just like that, y'all. That's it, folks.
Go for 5 and 5.
Yup, that's it, folks. 200 rounds, just like that.
Without the magazine, Chris, you want to go with that?